In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check transactions on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your payments, refunds, fees, and the final amounts you actually receive, all in one clear timeline. This is especially helpful if you're reconciling sales, tracking a refund, or simply confirming a recent payment. First, log into your PayPal account. Head to the official PayPal website and sign in securely. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt as well. Make sure the web address is correct and that you see the secure lock icon in your browser before entering your credentials. It's always a good idea to sign in on a trusted device and network to protect your financial information. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel and find the activity section. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose All Transactions. This will take you to your transaction history page. Here you'll see a clean list of everything that has moved in or out of your account. The page displays several helpful columns. Date shows when the transaction occurred. Type tells you what kind of activity it was, such as a payment received or a refund sent. Name typically shows the other party involved. Status indicates whether the transaction is completed, pending, or cancelled. Gross is the total amount of the transaction before fees. Fee shows what PayPal deducted. Net is what you actually received or paid after fees. Take a moment to scan this list. The layout is designed to help you quickly understand the flow of money. If you're reviewing your sales, the net column gives you the clearest picture of what landed in your balance. If you're checking whether a customer paid, the status and date columns will confirm timing and completion. And when you're comparing records with your bookkeeping, those columns make it simple to match amounts and dates. If you want to view more details for a specific transaction, simply select it from the list. This opens a dedicated details page with richer information. Here, you'll typically find the transaction ID, a breakdown of fees, any notes or messages included, and if applicable, shipping or buyer information. Use this page to verify the exact amounts, confirm who sent or received the funds, and review any associated details that explain what the transaction was for. If you ever need support, the transaction ID on this page is the fastest way to reference the payment. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Activity, open All Transactions, and click any item to see the full details. Keep your credentials private, and you'll always have a clear, accurate view of your PayPal history whenever you need it.